Welcome to the part 3 of day 4 investment appraisal. This is the last part for part day 4. Every time I try to do the video stopped somewhere, so that's why I have to make 3 parts of this, otherwise I would have made it in part 1 only. So never mind, my main purpose is just to learn and my purpose is to teach. It does not matter how many parts are there, as long as you see all the videos and maximize it to the best you can. Okay, so this we have covered all the questions, all the 25 marks question, how it can be tested, all the 50 marks question, how the ways a question can come for investment appraisal. You have seen some Black-Scholes option pricing model, bond valuation, or calculation of WACC, the net present value, adjusted present value. So all those things are there. Now I'm going to summarize it here and type it in front of you. Your job is to take a screenshot or write it down. I would rather say write it down, because when you write down, you think, your brain starts thinking. It's fed in your mind. You know, okay, these are the areas. Okay, these are the areas I have to study. These are the areas that will come. When you're taking a screenshot, you learn nothing. It's hard to see also. Every time you have to see the screen, and also it's better you write it down. As I'm typing, you write down. So let us summarize all the key points. This now it's up to you. You yourself also can do this. You don't have to rely on me to do this summarization. You might have done better, right? But still, for those who needs help, who are not so good in summarizing the big whole thing, for them this video is definitely helpful. So let me summarize it for you. First, let me screen the font size. Let's keep it 16. Yeah. Oh damn, 16 is too small. How come? So definitely we'll keep it as 24. I think right now key areas to learn in investment appraisal. We'll keep it as bullet points. What say? This helps you understand better. So first one is cost of capital. We'll write cost of equity. I will unbold it. For those of you who are planning to give your paper in CB platform, some of you are giving CB platform now from some countries, and some of you might be giving in June. In Oman, it will be in June. So practice typing on typing, right? Cost of equity, cost of debt, back calculation. Sorry, backwards we calculation based on proxy companies equity beta. So this requires step. Under this, cost of equity if you have to find out, or cost of debt. Okay. So cost of equity when you have to find out, or WACC based on proxy companies equity beta. Okay. So adjust, or I would say re-gear, adjust or ungear. The proxy companies so first step is, under this, when you have to find the cost of equity, adjust or ungear the proxy company's equity. Obviously, they will give you equity beta only of the company. So equity beta to equity beta. I'm sorry. Adjust ungear the proxy company's equity beta to asset beta using your company means company in the question. Your company's capital structure. Capital structure means your market value of debt and market value of equity. You should know how to find out. Then re-gear using to find equity beta. Then cost of equity. So these are the steps, right? Next, bond valuation you should know. Under this there are so many things. Then my spellings might be wrong. Then what we have? Net present value adjusted. I'm writing the short form, okay? Adjusted present value. Under that there are so many which you can make up your own. Under net present value what you have to do, under adjusted present value what you have to do. Okay. So, okay, next. Okay, we'll keep this as short. This is better that you write in your words. Shall I? Okay, I will keep it. Net present value adjusted present. What else is there? Mikalo or modified duration. Modified or Mikalo duration. Spellings might be wrong. Right? What is it? Others are theory areas which you need to work out. Okay, so I'm not including the theory parts, but from the calculations point of view, what? Yes, very important. Black-Scholes option pricing model. How can I forget that? Black-Scholes option pricing model. Real options. You should know how to value using Black-Scholes option pricing model only. Real options. Next, what is it? Any idea? Have to go back to the question. Limitations, okay. 12 is the same. 13. 14. Okay, MIRR and IRR, all those stuff. So IRR versus MIRR. Your expected value you should know using probability when probability is given in net present value and all. Then a value at risk. Let me write VAR, which is value at risk at 99% and 95% confidence level. What is next? Know the standard deviation, memorize it. Then what is it? Let me go to the question and see. 14. $15. 16. Yes, the other one is sensitivity analysis. What's the next? What is the next? Multiple capital rationing or linear regression, multiple capital rationing. You have to know how to use that equation and all. Let's go to 17. This I have to summarize the five. Okay. So next 20. All these are your bond valuation. 21. 22. 23. 48. 50. When you find out net present value, make sure international. Predict exchange rate. Using PPP or or IRR. That is purchasing power parity or interest rate parity, IRP. So I guess I have discussed all the main points, right? 53. Yes, I have quite mentioned all the keywords. Key points are there. So all the key areas are there, which I discussed. So all these are the key areas which you need to know, and there might be more. Those are theory parts. So all the theory parts now, what is left over, will be discussed in my day 5, which is tomorrow. There all the theories will be discussed in the sense of I'm not going to cover questions, I'm not going to show you, but I'm just going to give you an idea, a brief idea of what are the types of questions that can come in the theory part, for which you have to be prepared, right? So best of luck for that. With that, I wish you best of luck. You can add more on this list, keep practicing, and show me the results, show me the great results, and make me a proud teacher. Thank you and take care.